Let's say I'm taking a college class and I have all my grades in except the final exam. All the quizzes, projects, lab, and final exam is equally weighted. So it's easy to figure out the average score. I have a goal for the class. So let's figure out the average score for the class by using a formula. Equals average. And I want to grab all of the grades, even the grade that I don't have for yet. And Sally right now has an average score of 80. And let's figure out for the rest of the students by double clicking on the fill handle. So what kind of score does Sally need on the final exam to achieve her goal of 84? Well, we can do it the hard way by plugging in some numbers. And that changes the final score. But it's still not an 84. So we can keep on adding. So change this to a 93.8. And we're still a little bit shy of this final score. But why do it the hard way when we can have Excel do it for us? And we can use the what if analysis and goal seek to find out the exact score we need to achieve our goals. Okay, click in where you have your formula, data, what if analysis, and we have three options. We want to concentrate on goal seek. Find the right input for the value you want. Okay, set this cell, J6, to the value of our goal. Sally's goal is 84. By changing this cell, the grade we don't have yet. And it takes a couple seconds for Excel to figure it out. But Sally needs 100 on the final exam to achieve her goal of 84. Pretty tough to do, but she can do it. A little bit of hard work. Well, let's figure out George. Click on where you have the formula, data, what if analysis, goal seek, and George's goal is 76 by changing the score he doesn't have. George needs a 90 on the final exam to achieve his goal for the class. Let's figure out Vlatka. Click where you have the formula, data, what if analysis, goal seek. Vlatka has a goal of 85.2 by changing the cell on the grade she doesn't have yet. Vlatka needs a 93 to achieve her goal of 85.2. Okay, let's figure out Maria. Click where you have the formula, data, what if analysis, goal seek, and she has a goal of 85.3 by changing the cell. Maria needs a 97.5 to achieve her goal of 85.3. So we can use what if analysis and goal seek to find out our goal, to figure out the grade we need on the final exam to achieve our goal.